Good morning, all teachers and my all dear friends. Today, I, Aryan Rajput of class 10th from Army Public School, New Kent, Allahabad, going to present a PPT before you all. My topic is drone. Hello friends, nowadays drone is used in all over world. It is mainly used by all countries in world for helping in its defense system. It is very much liked by today's generation's student. By upcoming generation, many online shopping companies used as delivery person which reduce their time of delivering. Hello friends, as we know that there are many types of drones. It is mainly classified in four types. First one is multi-rotor drones. Second is fixed wing drones. Third is single rotor helicopter. Fourth is fixed wing hybrid VTOL. And note, there are all major types of drones used in various fields like defense, medical, security, etc. Now we see the photos of major four drones. First drone is multi-rotor drone. It consists of 4 wings and 1 camera. In second, you can see the fixed wing drones. It consists of 2 wings. It is mainly used in defense system. In third, you can see the single rotor helicopter. It is mainly liked by the students or child for playing with it. In fourth, now you can see the picture of fixed wing hybrid VTOL. It is used in defense system. It is mainly used for attacking purpose. Nowadays, drone is used in every field for various purpose. The company who marketing of drones get very benefited from it. As you can see the small marketing survey till today and prediction for upcoming years. Today and upcoming days are called as drone age because every country need drone for their armed forces. Upcoming days, every online shopping companies use drone as their delivery person. Thank you everyone for viewing my PPT presentation.